Not sure how to tell your story without sounding awkward? Many beginners struggle to write an about page that really connects. Writing an about page can feel intimidating, but AI makes it easy. Here is the exact prompt I typed. Feel free to pause the video if you want to copy it. In seconds, ChatGPT generates a clear, engaging draft you can adapt to your own style and brand voice. You could tweak it yourself and have a professional looking about page in minutes. But knowing what to write isn't enough. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to set up all your essential business pages, like about, sales, and lead magnet pages, quickly and effectively so you can start building your business confidently. Joining the challenge also gives you bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database and the silent marketer strategy, making it even faster to create content that converts. Stop stressing over your about page. Let AI give you a solid starting point. The AI Business Builder Challenge walks you through building all your essential pages, and it is just $17 to get started. Check out the link in the description to jump in today.